Hello everyone. As we move from the overview of PMBOK-8 into practical decision-making, this next section focuses on one of the most important skills a project manager must master. As a project manager, knowing what to do next for agile and hybrid type questions. These type of questions represents 80 to 85% of the PMP exam. The question, answers, and explanations ahead are designed to 1. Sharpen your judgment. 2. Reinforce PMBOK-8 delivery principles, and 3. Help you think through real project situations with clarity and confidence. Use each scenario to test how effectively you can apply the framework when the path forward isn't immediately obvious. 4. Performance domain planning. You're leading an agile release train comprising multiple teams. Key stakeholders suddenly request an acceleration of certain features due to market pressures, clashing with current PI, program increment, objectives. What should you do, according to PMBOK-8's planning and value delivery principles? Inform the stakeholders that scope changes can be addressed only after the current increment concludes. Not a good PMP answer. Give the better options, not restrictions. Call for a mid-PI planning session to reprioritize backlog items and replan delivery. Beautiful answer. A team brainstorming meeting. Ask each team to work overtime to accommodate all stakeholder requests. A plan that acceptance of increased costs and increased risks is as a first option is not a good plan. Reject the change unless accompanied by additional funding. The words reject and unless should be red flags to reject this as an answer. Correct answer, B. Call for a mid-PI planning session to reprioritize backlog items and replan delivery. Explanation: modern project planning per PMBOK-8 and safe agile practice dictates continuous value and adaptive planning in response to business pressures. Option B demonstrates portfolio-level agility, enabling delivery of highest value work in collaboration with stakeholders. Option A ignores market context. C neglects team sustainability, contradicts agile principles. D elevates financial constraint above value delivery and adaptability. 9. Performance domain, delivery process and business environment. Stakeholders complain that MVP releases lack usability and do not reflect real customer needs. What is the best next step according to PMBOK-8's value delivery focus? Organize usability testing with real users before acceptance. Allow real users to test and determine what is usable based on acceptance criteria. This is the best answer in the list. Continue delivering planned backlog as defined. Ignores stakeholder complaint. Not a best answer. Assign all usability design tasks to a specialist outside the team. Reeks of assigning accountability to some else. Remind stakeholders that MVPs are by definition incomplete products. Attempts at education stakeholder rather than solving their complaints. Correct answer, A. Organize usability testing with real users before acceptance. Explanation: focusing on business value is central in both Agile and PMBOK-8. Direct user validation ensures increments genuinely address customer needs and create measurable value, rather than merely pushing output. Option B and D are delivery-focused but not outcome-focused. C breaks team self-organization and cross-functionality. 22. Performance domain, delivery. During a major agile release, the delivered software passes all acceptance tests, but customers still report dissatisfaction. The product owner insists acceptance tests are enough. According to PMBOK-8's delivery focus, what is missing? Root cause analysis for customer discontent never states what the dissatisfaction is. Team could easily look for the wrong problem. Completion of formal lessons learned session, this is moving without addressing customer concerns. Additional code reviews, why? A focus on customer value and outcomes beyond test pass/fail, a meeting with the customer is necessary to narrow down what the true dissatisfaction is. This is a PMP answer. Correct answer, D. A focus on customer value and outcomes beyond test pass/fail. Explanation: while acceptance tests are critical, true value delivery is measured by customer satisfaction and actual business outcomes, not just functional compliance. PMBOK-8 and Advanced Agile stress this point.
Just a reminder, the PMBOK-8 edition is officially live, and so is the most complete PMP training ecosystem built for the 2027 exam and beyond. If you're preparing for the PMP exam or renewing your certification, you can now access a full PMBOK-8 learning system designed to give you everything you need in one place. PMBOK-8 PMP Exam Prep Book, KDP. A modern, performance domain-driven guide that teaches you how PMI expects project leaders to think and make decisions. Free 35-hour online PMP training PMBOK-8 edition. Complete video lessons, domain walkthrough, mock exams, templates, and instructor-level tools. Customizable PMP Instructor PPT. Teach, mentor, or lead internal training sessions using the included instructor slide deck. Earn all 60 PDUs in one stop. This ecosystem gives you every PDU required for PMP renewal. A. 20 PDUs, reading the PMP Exam Prep Book. B. 20 PDUs, completing the PMBOK-8 35-hour online training. C. 20 PDUs, teaching PMP content using the Customizable Instructor PPT. Total, 60 PDUs, all inside one integrated system. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.